Hello Vita, today we will study the chapter function. This you can easily understood like if you have a machine in which you are putting something, this is your input. If something is put in this machine, there is a output come out. Whatever and some operations are done that are called function. Whatever you are putting, that is your domain. Whatever operations are here, that is your function, and whatever output is your range. When range extended, it goes to codomain. Like you have a set A, and in the set A you have numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. The function is f is equal to x ka square. When you operate in this function, you get the set B when 1 ka square is 1, 2 ka square is 4, 3 ka square is 9, and so on. But the set B has others elements also like 2, 3, 5, and so on. So whatever comes here after operation of this function, that is called your range. And this whole is called your codomain. और जो आपने put किया था, that is your domain. Understood? This is a very important diagram. You must have to note down this diagram in your notebooks. Now come to the starting point of this chapter. See, functions, limits and continuity. Here you can see the function is A set, B set, एक relation A से B में F A to B, A के अंदर image in B and pre-images Fx. Now, set A से B function, A is domain जो भी मैंने figure में समझाया था और B2 is your codomain. Now there are the variety of functions you have. You have a constant function. Constant function ka graph, you can do it like that. If this is axis, this is your graph of constant function. Then you have a polynomial function that are in the form of x square, x cube plus 3x square and so on type. You have a rational function, जो 2x plus 5 divided by 4x minus 5, whatever is this, in p by q form. Then you have a modulus function. Modulus function has two values. One is x, one is minus f, and its graph is like that. Okay. Now, there is another function that is exponential function, that is e की power x, logarithm function, that is fx is equal to log x. Even function when f of minus x is fx. Odd function when f of minus x is minus f of x. And composite functions के case में you have three sets a, b and c. First function a से b, second function b से c. Then the product of f and g is denoted by GOF, and that is GOF is g of fx. Come directly to the examples now of this chapter. You have the set A in which you have minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and the function is from A set to R, such that fx is your x square minus 1. तो जो आपकी मशीन है that is x square minus 1. जो आपके इनपुट्स हैं जो मैंने अभी बताया था that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. अब आपने देखने आउटपुट्स आपके क्या आते हैं that you will get by putting these numbers in this machine, that is x square minus 1. As you put minus 3 over here, you will get minus 3 ka square is 9, then minus 1, and you got answer is 8. Then if you put minus 1 ka square is 1, minus 1, this comes out 0. In the similar manner, you will put everything in the machine. That means, and you like that, you are putting these numbers minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 up to so on in the machine. When they are operating a function x square minus 1, you are getting something output over here. That are the numbers 8, 3, 0, minus 1 and so on. This is called whatever outputs you are getting, that is your range. I hope all of you have understood this. Now, see, there is another question which is he is asking ki if it is a function, find the domain and the range. I have told you the first whatever is your input, that is your domain. Whatever is your output, that is your range. So if you are putting 1, you are getting minus 1. The range is 1, codomain is your 1 and range is also your 1 over here. Second, you are putting 4 as a input and you are getting after operation 1. Then you are putting minus 4 as an input, you are getting again 1. Two numbers that comes first, that means 1, 4, minus 4, 7, 9, 10, all these are your what? Domain. And whatever number comes on the second side, that means after in the putting something in the machine, and every time you can see here the number comes out every time is after operation 1 1 1 1 1 1, everywhere is 1 1 1 1. That means your output is what? Your output is 1 and that is your range. Okay. Every element of the set A has a unique element in the set B. So F is a function. Okay.